In this video, I will share the best passive income source for beginners and experienced marketers alike. It's a simple online side hustle almost anyone can do. No previous experience is required. It's a proven way you can finally build long-term passive income and enjoy both time freedom and money freedom too. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay. I'm a full-time online marketer. Passive income is my driving force. It's how I leverage my time instead of just trading time for dollars like most people do. It's what lets me ski most days in the winter and sail most days in the summer while others are stuck at their jobs. One thing's for sure, we all need passive income. Now, some folks may call it recurring income. Whichever term you prefer, it's money that can come in month after month without any extra effort. In the simple online business I build, I continue to get paid long-term for the sales I make each day. Imagine getting paid months from now for what you do today. How cool is that? Let me tell you a little about this home business. It is my number one recommended income stream. And like I said, anyone can do what I do. It's super simple and all done online. It only takes a few hours per week from wherever you happen to be. You do not need to stay home to do it. You can do this while you're at the beach, playing with the kids, or even watching television. I like to do it while I'm out sailing. And you can start making money fast. Many new people make money their very first day. And again, you can create long-term passive income while you're at it. I love getting paid every Thursday by direct deposit, and I'm sure you will too. Using our automated online marketing system, you can really leverage your time. We will show you how you can create a full-time income in as little as 30 minutes per day, whenever it's convenient for you. You will get everything you need to start making money today and build long-term passive income. We provide powerful landing pages that you can quickly customize to brand you, high-converting sales pages, and follow-up emails. And I will get you access to the same email autoresponder that I use for free. You will not need to create anything. Our business comes with the best training and support I've ever seen. We hold daily live Zoom calls. We have a terrific online training website and a great Facebook group where we share ideas and answer questions. Plus, I will mentor you personally. Nothing will be left to chance. You'll never wonder what to do next. It's so much easier when you have someone to show you the way. I encourage you to take advantage of my 30-plus years in the home business industry. So, if you're ready to stop trading your time for dollars and create life-changing passive income, take our online tour. You will find that creating passive income is far easier than you think. To learn more and start making money today, go to joebarclay.com/passive. Again, that's joebarclay.com/passive. Go ahead and check it out. We'll talk soon.